Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Bianca V3 with us in the shop. And it came in because there was leaking at the bottom of the machine a little bit. Also, there's just a bit of scale on the machine. And the brew lever was actually let me move this up the way. To move this around was kind of hard, but now that it's loosed up, it works normal. When we did a tune-up on this machine, what we pretty much did is descaled both boilers of the machine, also backflushed your group head quite a bit, and then we went on the bottom of the machine and there was a leak at your brew boiler, so we replaced the gasket. Here's the original brew boiler gasket, so we replaced that too. That's about it. So now we're going to test the machine by making a shot. If I test coffee, and don't worry if it comes out a little too fast or a little too slow, we did not calibrate our grinder to this machine. We're going to do a few seconds of pre-infusion. Then we're going to let it rip. Yeah, it's going to run a little too fast, so we don't have our grinder set to really fine yet. That's perfectly normal. We just want to make sure water is coming out of the front at a good rate. We're going to move that out the way as we test both the steamer and hot water. You want to test the steamer first because the hot water will drain the steam boiler. As you can see, nice and good. I also did clean the steam wand out a little bit using Rinza solution. Really nice steam wand. And then lastly, the hot water. All runs. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.